Hey everybody. So I know it's been a long time since I posted, but I'm going to go ahead and post now, and hopefully I'll be posting every day starting Tuesday, the 2nd of April. I'm going to Craftcation, and I am looking forward to it. I went last year. It was a lot of fun. I've talked about it briefly before, but I'll do another video. Hopefully this weekend, I'll do a video that discusses Craftcation in more detail, and we can get it all figured out. But I wanted to give you a little preview of what I'm packing for it. Cora and I are going. As you know, Cora is my service dog, and so I'm meeting some friends there. So although we're flying by ourselves, once we get there, I'm going to have lots of support, which will be nice because it will be needed. In fact, this is my travel shirt. See if I can smooth it out here. I'll turn it around. Can you see it? It says, I came, I saw, I had anxiety, so I left. So I'm looking forward to the trip. So first things first, we have a costume dance party there. I'm not sure how well I'll do anxiety-wise, but I'm going to try this year. I didn't go last year. I got too nervous, but this year I'm gonna really make it an effort. Even if I have to sit outside the door, I'm gonna do it. So the theme this year is Enchanted Forest. So I'm going as a fairy. So of course I've got to have my wings and my little fairy wand. This is going to be my skirt. It's kind of voluminous here, so it's hard to see, but it's got like butterfly wings all over it. And I'm trying to figure out how to safely and with the least amount of impact put fairy lights in my skirt. So hopefully at a conference called Craftcation, I will be able to find some people that can help me out. So if anyone can help me out and you're going to be there, get me in. And then I have a bodysuit for the top part to go with that skirt, and a corset. Look at the shimmer on this. Isn't that just beautiful? So I've got a shimmer or a green corset. I've got a headband with some butterflies and a wig, a long, luxurious rainbow wig that I will not put on right here because it's just too hard to do. And then I also have these, and I'll show you a video when I'm at the conference and I have the costume all on. But these are, I don't know if you can see them very well. Let me rearrange some things here. These are ear cuffs that look like elf ears. So see, they got a little pointy up here. So I've got a pair of those. I'll put the link in the description for those. They're really cool looking. I bought them from the Enchanted Jewelry Shop on Etsy. So I've had some issues with Etsy lately, but I was very pleased. I bought a few things here for that. So now, of course, I've got my shoes. And then, of course, Cora's going to go with me to this costume contest or costume party, and she's going to go as a butterfly. And I got this off of Etsy as well. This little butterfly wings for her. And I got her a pink tutu. It's all shiny and it has a bow. So we're gonna do that. And then we're having trivia night as well, and I'm going to go just kind of all shiny and glossy. And I've got, for both a costume party and for trivia night, I have unicorn snot. And I love the name. It's super glittery, body glitter. And I've got a hot pink wig. Another skirt I'm going to be wearing I don't have in here yet. And it has fairy lights in it. And I have, I'm sorry about that light. I have, you can't really see it, but they are sequined tights to wear while I'm there with my fairy light skirt and my hot pink wig. And I'm going to be wearing my hot pink Converse, of course. And then because I've got Cora, I get one suitcase, namely this one over here. And then Cora gets half of the smaller suitcase. I have our costumes in it. I have a headlamp because the hotel that we're staying in, while it's a very nice hotel, it isn't well lit in the parking lot. And you know, with Cora, when you got a walker, you got a walker. So I have a headlamp that I'm gonna take. So I can do that. I also got her, and it's not here yet, I got her a light up collar, hot pink with lots of lights. And that is being shipped directly to the hotel with her food, because she is a big dog and I don't want to spend weight in my suitcase on her food. So I have a first aid kit for her. And it can be used for me if needed. I have Neosporin. I have polyneuropathy, which, for those of you that don't know, basically I have no feeling below my ankles, and even my hands get tingly and whatnot. I don't know why my nose is running. And so I have to be really careful. If I get any cuts, I have to make sure I treat them right away. I have 2 collapsible food and water bowls for Cora. One goes on the plane with me. One goes in the checked baggage, and then I have an extra treat bag that also carries her poo bags, because you never know if that clip's going to break or whatnot. So I want to have a second one just in case. And I think, and then I've got some. These are ones for the carry-on luggage for the plane, but I'm gonna have some wee pads for the hotel. I've never had her make a mistake in a hotel, but I put them under her food dish, so that, because she dribbles her food, so I'm gonna put some under her food dish, and I'm going to put one off to the side just in case in the middle of the night she needs to go and isn't able to wake me up. I have backup elf ears just in case for some reason those cuffs don't work. And a wig cap to corral my hair. So yeah, so that's it for right now. I'm looking forward to this. This is going to be a lot of fun, and I'm going to vlog while I travel, so that although I can't take pictures as I'm going through security, I'm going to try to take video before and after, so that way I can tell everyone what it's like to go through security with a service dog. I have I sent a note off to TSA. They have a program called TSA Cares, where they have people that help people that have, not just people with disabilities, but it could be with legal disabilities, but rather with even if you have, if you're a single mother with 3 kids and you just need help corralling people going through security, they'll help you get through security with them. They'll help if you broke your arm, if you were on vacation and you're skiing and you broke your leg, they'll help you get through security a little easier, just because it's hard to maneuver your luggage and stand in line and all that. And me with my issues, I have my anxiety, my panic disorders. My panic disorder can be very easily triggered while I'm there, as well as the hallucinations I get. So from the stress. So I've got someone that will be able to walk me through and help me with organizing, with managing my carry-on and my dog and myself. So that should be fun. And after Craftcation, I plan on vlogging while I'm there, but also I'm hoping to, and if any of you are going and you see this, I plan on interviewing some people and posting those interviews about creativity. What inspires you? What drives you? How do you overcome obstacles? What do you do when you get bogged down? You know, all that fun stuff. And then I of course want to show off all your goods. So, all of your products, I should say. So anyway, go ahead, and if you like this, if you want to see more, like, subscribe, and I will talk to you later.